Good morning, guys. Fly with me from Rapid City to Minneapolis, and it's so dark. Now we can see the sunrise. Look at that, it's so pretty. This is the view, guys. Like, look at that. Hashtag 1,000 lakes. Hi everyone, Mrs. Simmons here. It's been a while, and now I'm gonna go ahead and bring you to my travels to Vancouver. See you guys. Touchdown, Vancouver. Look at this, guys. This is their airport. It's like a park. So pretty. So pretty, guys. Hi. Hi.
Dito na kami sa Canada. Kasama namin si John Lumber.
Hello, tita. Hi, tita. Ulan siya. Hi, Dem. Ayan. Look at this, guys. We're here in the mall. Pretty.
Alberta.
Huh?
Ito na yung pinaka-daan tagos-tagos sa buong Canada.
Portland Bridge, guys.
Dito ako araw dumadaan.
Nag-road trip kami ngayon dito. Dito kami ngayon.
Dinajogging ko yan dyan nung COVID time.
Ano ba tawag nila ba? Desert? Desert.
Cloudy. It's a cloudy day. Oo.
Ganda ng lugar.
Basta may mga ganyan yan, tutulungan nila ako yan, pupunta yan dito, mag-sleep over sila. Hanggang di natatapos hindi yan. Yung ano yung galing, di ba nag-US, umuwi dito. Ay sabi ko umuwi ka rin, sabi di naman ako nag...
Sabi niya, ano ba number mo? Ginanong pa ako nun. Sabi ko, sige.
Ako?
Hindi.
So pretty. Vancouver Convention Center. We are here in downtown Vancouver, guys. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Wild dogs, guys.
Lander na walang subscriber. Sino Weng?
Ano-an?
Diba? It's a steaming device. Char. So beautiful, guys. Wow. Pretty. Fly over, guys. Kaya nyo yan.
Vlogger nga walang subscribe eh.
Paano na
Look.
memory nyo na pupunta nyo rito? Hindi mo uso yan?
It's like lock keys for...
Dapat nagdala ka rin ng ano.
Oo, dala ka sa uso mo. Tapos lagyan mo ng pizza.
Nalagyan mo yung pangalan. Diba? 20 years. Wow, ang dami.
Area is located in Queen Elizabeth Park and
Hey guys, this is Love in the Rain sculpture located in Queen Elizabeth Park in Vancouver. Diba? Pa. Yan pa. Diba? Hello guys, nakikita nyo ba ang view? Hindi no. Yan, wow. Wow.
Ganda ng bridge.
Oh, ganda ng view. Dagat.
nice place para makita ng view. Tapos uwi na.
Kasi para,
Ganda ng view.
Ay, tayo. Dito natin dadaan.
Ibig sabihin sa kabila.
naman, dito kami.
Oo, maganda. Diba? Kuha ko pa yun sa video ko.
Downtown to here. Ayun,
Wow.
yung Silvas na yun na yan.
Oh. Wow, ang laki nga niya, no? Marami sigurong tao dyan always. Joey Shipyards. Wow, guys, this is so pretty.
Tapos ba niya ilabahin ko, ate?
Ano yung
Yep.
isa na lang sana yun?
White Track Museum and Archives. And look at this. On the other side is actually United States, guys. Washington. That's the other side. And we are here in the Canada side. Hi guys, we are here at White Track, BC, Canada. Canada's longest pier. Look at the view. Beautiful. And it borders Washington State, guys. So here we have cell phone reception, cell phone signal. You can send text messages. Pretty. And we finally reach the end of the pier, guys. This is how it looks. So beautiful. So pretty, guys. And this is the White Track. This is where the town get the name. There's a big rock that they painted white. We are going home, guys. That was the end of our Vancouver trip. Night, everyone. Flying to Rapid City. Hope you enjoyed this vlog.